guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony XO. How are you guys doing? Today I have a Stitch Fix video. It is my August Stitch Fix, you guys, and I pre-opened it already. So first of all, I do want to say, if you didn't see my July Stitch Fix, I did end up keeping all the pieces because I liked a few of them. My husband liked a few of them, and he was just like, just keep the whole box. It'd be cheaper that way. So I was like, okay. So I ended up keeping the whole entire box. But if you haven't seen that video, I will put the card up here or here. And also at the end of the video, there'll be a Stitch Fix card for you guys to check out to see what all I picked up in my Stitch Fix video in July. Because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep anything. But I ended up keeping everything. So let's go ahead and not waste any time. I told my stylist I really wanted a pair of shoes that I could wear pretty much date night, going out with girls, going to see a movie, going to dinner, or, you know, just dressing up. So first thing I see is a pair of shoes. Now, I haven't received a pair of shoes from Stitch Fix in a long time. So I'm excited already. So let's go ahead. Let me get my card and read. I'm not gonna bore you with it, but I'll show you real quick like. Some of the pieces that they sent. Okay, so thank you so much for your request. I did, like I said, I requested jeans, shoes, and some like cute tops. Okay, so it says our inventory is constantly changing, but since you gave me some great pieces, thank you. I was able to find some similar things that you can rock. And then it says, hope you love it all. And then her name is Carillon. So that is what Carillon's little note says. This is my bill. We'll go over the bill last. I like to kind of go over that last. Let's go ahead and start with the shoes, because that's what I'm probably most excited about. So, alright, so these are Market and Spruce. That's the brand. They're the Carillon caged heels. And I normally wear a size 6. So these are 6s. Alright, so these are the caged heels she was talking about. They do have a zipper on the back. They are like a good chunky heel like I like. These types of shoes don't make me feel like I'll slip down and fall. I feel like they do have like some good traction on the bottom of it. Even right here, it feels like there's some good traction there. I love this color for now, and also I feel like it's almost like a booty almost in a way, and it would, I feel like, transition into the fall before it gets cold. So I think this would be a great investment and a great shoe. So we will try these on with an outfit. So yeah, so those I'm really excited about. Those look very promising. Okay. Ooh, lots of colors. Who doesn't like color for the spring and the summer? Ooh, and I love this type of color for fall. So this right here looks like a color I would wear for now, but also transition into fall weather. So the first thing I see here, ooh, I like it. Mommy like. Alright, so I love the cage top on this. This is definitely a great date night top. Me and my mom hang out a lot. She's like one of my best friends. So like to go hang out with her, go see a movie, go to dinner, something like this with a pair of jeans and those heels was exactly the type of style I was looking for. I love the color of this. It's like a rust color. And I love the style of it as well. So, and I feel like in the fall I could pair this with my Madewell leather jacket that I love so much. I think it would look really cute with a leather jacket or a denim jacket. So yeah, it's really cute. Alright, so this is a small. And this is Market and Spruce. Again, the shoes were Market and Spruce. This top is Market and Spruce. This is the cutout detail, what does that say? Textured top in burnt orange. So that's what that looks like. Very, very pretty. All right, the next one, ooh, another bright, fun color. All right, so this looks like this. It looks like it would come kind of higher up on the neckline. And in the back, it has like a little cutout, if you can see that, but it has like a little cutout detail right there. It looks very pretty. I love like these bright, like it matches my lips. I love anything bright these days. It's just been my jam. So I really love that color. Okay, last top. This one's kind of cute. I feel like, I mean, it's supposed to be, this is supposed to be the back of it. It's like this hot pink fuchsia color. But I feel like you could do either way. So that's the front. It's like a t-shirt, very much a t-shirt cotton feel. And this is another small. It is by Threads for Thought. And this is a cotton blend, bar-backed detail knit top. I didn't tell you the prices. Ha ha ha. Smart. Let me do that real quick. Let me tell you the tops, and then we'll get to the jeans last. Alright, so this top, fuchsia top, is $38. This top, which they're calling red, is $38. And my favorite one, which they're calling burnt orange, is $54. The shoes, $70 for the shoes. And then last but not least is a pair of jeans. The jeans are called, let me find them, Vagos. And they're the Briley Distressed Frayed Hem jean in blue, size 6, $68 for these. They do say Jagger Skinny on the little label right there. This is the brand, which I've never heard of. Because it has a luxe stretch to them. And then the bottoms are frayed. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our little try-on session. Okay guys, okay guys, that is the end of this video. Let's go over what I decided I'm keeping and what I'm sending back. This type of video right here, you like, just know. You know what you love, you know what is your style, you know what you want to keep, and you know what you want to send back. Last time I had so much options, I was like, I don't know. This time I know exactly what I want to keep and exactly what I want to send back. So let's go ahead, go over the prices fairly quick because I'm running out of battery. Okay, if I keep all 5 pieces in my fix, it's $268. You get a 25%, obviously, discount of $67. So my total comes out to be, plus your styling credit of $20, $181 for everything, which is pretty good considering just the shoes alone are $70. But I'm not happy with the whole fix, so this is what I'm gonna do. I decided I really love these caged Market and Spruce heels. I think they're freaking adorable. Perfect for date night, perfect for a night out with my mom, like girls' night. Or just like, you know, doing my thing, whatever. I just think they're adorable. They're definitely my style. Keeping the shoes. I'm sending everything else back except this top that I fell in love with. It's beautiful. I love the burnt orange. You guys know I've been wearing like orange lip, orange makeup, like orange and yellow is like the trend for the summer, and I'm on that trend. Plus, I think with burnt orange, I can totally wear this in the fall with a pair of boots and a leather jacket and rock it still. I love, love, love the gorgeous cutout detail of this top. I think it's so pretty. So I'm definitely keeping the top. The top, again, is by Market and Spruce as well. So both pieces I'm keeping are by Market and Spruce. Again, these are $70, and the top that I want to keep is $54. So I will add that up or whatever, and then I'll have $20 off my purchase, and that'll be my total for this fix. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you like my Stitch Fix unboxing, and I will continue to do those for you guys. Please make sure, if you're not subscribed, to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, because I do have weekly giveaways. Plus, I'm doing a YouTube anniversary giveaway here on my channel. I do subscribe to Stitch Fix once a month, so you will see these once monthly. Let me know in the comments, what would you have kept if this was your fix? I would love to know. And do you think I made the right choices? Okay, guys, my battery's dying. I just want to say I love you guys. 2 pieces. Hope you have a good one.